Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off autocorrect on Sony Xperia device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Some of you may feel uncomfortable with autocorrect on your keyboard, but you can disable it in the following ways. First of all, please open the settings menu on your keyboard. After that, you can select text correction. Okay, and then here will appear several settings. And then to turn off autocorrect, you can press this option. And then autocorrect on your keyboard is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off autocorrect on Sony Xperia device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.